हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द टेंसेस टुडे। अब ये बहुत बार देखा गया है कि हमें टेंसेस में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है, राइट? फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ओनली टिल 10th स्टैंडर्ड, इवन इन द हायर स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑल्सो वी कांट identify the tense properly. So first we will see what tenses are. Now tenses are the forms of verb which show belongingness, which show the state of being, and which show the time. Now belongingness means what? Like I have a book, so this book is mine, right? So it is showing the belongingness. ये book किसकी है? ये मेरी है. तो ये जो belongingness है, this have word is there, it is the tense. Okay, he has that book. वो बुक उसके पास है, वो बुक उसकी है. I have this book, ये बुक मेरे पास है. So it is showing the belongingness, right? Then another is time. अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है? 7 बज रहे हैं शायद. ये टाइम? No, we are not talking about this time. Time means the present time, past time or the future time. ये जो दिखाते हैं उनको बोलते हैं tenses. So and the another thing is, first is belongingness, then time, and then state of being. Okay, state of being means what? I am a teacher. You are a student. She is a girl. He is a boy. ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं? State of being, right? तो इन सबको बोलते हैं verbs, right? Now here I have made a chart which shows the different tenses. I have bifurcated these tenses and made it in a simpler form. Okay, now see here, present, past and future, 3 main टेंसेस आर रिटन, और उनको 4 हिस्सों में अलग अलग तरीके से विद द प्रॉपर फॉर्मूले आई हैव बाइफर्केटेड. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो विद प्रेजेंट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग आई, यू, वी, दे, ही, शी, इट. दीज आर द प्रोनाउंस. दे आर कॉल्ड सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस. सो वी आर यूजिंग आई, यू, वी, दे, ही, शी, इट. ओके, तो इनको ना एक रिदमिक वे में लर्न कर लेना है. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Right? So that it would be easier for you to understand the tense. So here simple present tense. Now simple present tense जो एक habit दिखाती है, that is the simple present tense. So if we take a simple sentence like I play. Again we are moving from I, you, we, they, he, she, it. So I play, you play, we play, they play. But for he, she, it, we have to use s or es to the verb. So what would be the sentence there? He plays. See, play is the verb here. Verb means action word, right? तो हमने वो action word को लगा दिया है s. He plays, she plays, it plays. And what is es for? es वो ऐसे verbs को लगाते हैं जिसके पीछे at the end of that verb should be ch or sh or o. Okay, like I watch a movie, you watch a movie, we watch a movie, they watch a movie, but he watches a movie. See, watches. She watches a movie, it watches a movie. Now children, many of the times you are confused what it for. it का एक हमेशा हमारे मन में एक सेट होता है, that our mindset is like that कि it मतलब नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे I want to tell you that it means non living thing. Obviously it is used for animals also, and it is used for child. toddlers, जो children होते हैं छोटे छोटे, उनके लिए भी it use होता है. Okay, so it is used for non-living animals and for toddlers or children we can say. So we have done with simple present tense. अब यहाँ पे I have written only the rule for he, she, it. Why it is so? Because for I, you, we, they, no rule is applicable. We are using directly the simple form of the verb, that is base form of the verb. I play, you play, we play, they play. So no need of writing anything because we are not using any of the rules. But for he, she, it, we are using rule, and that is why I have written s or es to the verb. Got till here? I hope. Next is let us move from present first and then past and then future. So here present continuous tense, continuous, जो चीज continuously हो रही है. Okay, I am playing, I am playing, मैं अभी खेल रहा हूँ. Again we are moving with the same rhythmic tone. I am playing, you, see here you are playing, right? We are playing, they are playing, he she it के लिए एक ही चीज लगी है, that is playing. So our rule is I के लिए क्या लगेगा, especially m plus ing. Okay, he she it is plus ing. Ing is what? Ing is attached to the main verb, that is playing, and you we they are plus ing. This is the correct and simpler bifurcation for all standard. Then प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, जो चीज हमने अभी अभी कंप्लीट की है, जस्ट नाउ एनी ऑफ द थिंग वी हैव कंप्लीटेड, दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, सो आई हैव प्लेड, यू हैव प्लेड, दे हैव प्लेड, वी हैव प्लेड. I, you, we, they, same applicable is there, that is have plus v3. It is written here have plus v3. I, you, we, they have plus v3. But for he she it, again the next rule has come, that is has plus v3. He has played, she has played, it has played. Okay, now comes present perfect continuous. जो चीज़ हम पहले भी करते थे और आज भी वो चीज़ करते आ रहे हैं, दैट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. I have been playing, you have been playing, we have been playing, they have been playing. Again for he she it, has been plus ing, he has been playing, she has been playing, it has been playing. So most of the cases we can see कि आयुर्वेद जो है ना वो चारों एक ग्रुप में है, उनका एक अलग ही ग्रुप है, लेकिन ही शी इट एक दूसरे ग्रुप में जाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द फॉर्म्स. फाइन. सो हियर प्रेजेंट के जो चार फॉर्म्स है दैट इज डन. नाउ लेट अस गो टू पास्ट टेंस. नाउ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Simple past tense, I have written V2 only. V2 is the second form of the verb. अपना verb कौन सा चल रहा है अभी? For the time being we have taken play. Okay, so I played, you played, we played, they played, he played, she played, it played. All over only ed we have added for the verb, and that is V2. Play, played, played. प्ले का फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्ले है, सेकेंड फॉर्म दैट इज V2 इज प्लेड, एंड थर्ड फॉर्म इज अगेन द सेम, दैट इज V2, सॉरी दैट इज ED, राइट? सो V1, V2 and V3 you must understand first before we go for the tenses. Got? So here V2 all over, so I have not mentioned कि किसके लिए V2 लगेगा. All over सबके लिए एक ही है, so I have not mentioned anywhere anything here, so that is V2. Then past continuous form. Again past continuous, जो चीज हम करते थे, राइट? कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में जो करते थे दैट इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा चेंज है. हमेशा हमने देखा है कि आयु विदे एक अलग ग्रुप में रहते हैं, ही शी इट अलग ग्रुप में रहते हैं. यहाँ पे ना आई ने उनका ग्रुप चेंज कर दिया, अपने ग्रुप से हटके वो आए चले गया कहाँ? किनके पास? ही शी इट के पास. तो देखो यहाँ पे चेंज हो रहा है. I and he she it is having was plus ing. So the sentence would be I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing. Okay, अब बचे कौन? You, we, they. You, we, they के लिए were plus ing. यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट में था are plus ing. are का past tense होता है were. So you were playing, we were playing, they were playing. अब आते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट पे. सी कंटिन्यूअस में पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस एंड प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस ओनली, ये दोनों में ही थोड़े से बड़े वाले रूल्स हैं, थोड़े ज़्यादा रूल है, लेकिन बाकी सब में बहुत सिंपल रूल्स है. सो हियर पास्ट परफेक्ट हैड प्लस V3, nothing more than that. Had plus V3, all over same. I had played, you had played, they had played, we had played, it had played, he had played, she had played. All over had plus V3 form. Next, past perfect continuous. Again, same rule for all over, that is had been plus ing. I had been playing, you had been playing, we had been playing, they had been playing, he had been playing, she had been playing and it had been playing. जहाँ पे कुछ चेंज ही नहीं है, no need to mention it anything. सबके लिए एक ही रूल है, so I have written one. V2 had plus V3, had been plus ing. लेकिन अगर कहीं अलग अलग है, then only I have bifurcated it. Then let us go with the simple future tense. Future, I will play, मैं खेलूंगा. You will play, they will play, we will play, he will play, she will play, it will play. Will all over, no change at all. Then will be plus ing for future continuous tense. I will be playing, मैं खेलते रहूँगा. जब आप मेरे घर पे आओगे, at that time I will be playing, मैं तब खेलते रहूँगा क्योंकि वो मेरा खेलने का टाइम है. You will be playing, they will be playing, we will be playing, he will be playing, she will be playing, it will be playing. No change anywhere. So will be plus ing only is written here. Then future perfect tense, will have plus V3. V3 will have plus V3. I will have played, मैं खेल चुका हूँगा. You will have played, we will have played, they will have played, he will have played, she will have played, it will have played. All over one rule, that is will have plus V3. Now last is future perfect continuous. Will have been playing, हम खेलते आ रहे होंगे. I will have been playing, you will have been playing, we will have been playing, they will have been playing, he will have been playing, she will have been playing and it will have been playing. So children, many of the times it is seen even in my childhood, जब मैं आपके जितनी school going child थी, at that time also I was having one chart and with so many rules and all were written in that chart, and I never understood it. So I bifurcated this, I made it simpler according to my wish. Okay, so I hope you have understood these tenses very clearly, and if you want to catch a screenshot of it, so please do it for yourself. Thank you so much.